Hi, so in this video, I will tell you how you can share stickers, emojis in your Telegram application. So first of all, you need to open your Telegram application. Then you need to click on any contact you want to send the message. For example, I clicked on this contact. Then you can see here a emoji at the down corner. You need to click on that and you can send any emoji you want to send by clicking this emoji. You can also Telegram suggest you some more emojis and stickers. You can select that as well, and this is how they are send it to that person. You can also click on that and you can delete. You can even delete. So even you can send gifs to that person the same way. And the stickers, you have many options already. You can also search at the top for any sticker. So here you can search like that, and you can easily send these stickers to that person.